Hi friends, welcome to Crypto Vulture Trading. In this video, we are going to see about a new update which will be happen in the next week. What are our future terms towards the trading? So friends, before going into video, I am asking everybody to subscribe our channel and enable the bell notification link. And in the description of our video, if you find you will find the Telegram channel, which is important where we are sharing the all our important updates, and along with that follow our important non KYC discount in trading you will get if you follow one or any of these exchanges. This will give you a next level low fee trading. So let's jump into the analysis. And if we observe, as previously also I told you about the BTC, about this week's pattern in the from last video, you can clearly observe here everywhere whenever we see this kind of wicks. So these weeks are given the huge correction every time. Okay, only once this is not happen. This time also, recently if we observe in a daily time frame, market has been collapsed and the point of where the support has been broken, from that point the market has started rising. So BTC price has been rising and at the time ETH crossed its previous all time high, and you can see it has been taken the previous all time high. So it already taken that. Now we are in the euphoria. So what will be the next? Basically the demand of BTC is going down. That is the one major concern. Everybody who observe the properly the on-chain analytical data, it is clearly showing that. And if you see in the daily time frame, basically the price is making an a higher highs, but the time of RSI is making an a lower high. At the same time it lost the support, and which this rise which is came because of the Powell speech, still it rejected around the below 1,18,605 area, which is 118k point $6 area. It rejected. It clearly shows that it is an lower high. In the case if it is this higher high and this lower high, mostly will give you the bearish pattern. You can observe this and you can take it this as if it cross below the 111.5k area of the support. If it crosses below, then definitely we are going to see around 100k area. There is no other option, and you can take it as the Fibonacci retracement also. It's clearly indicating that market is going to correct around this 50 percentage area, or mostly market will take the golden pocket area also. If it goes till that area, then we will see around 92k. So if this scenario should not happen, then what we need to observe in the market has to sustainably, it has to move upward, means it has to cross 118k and it has to stand above this trend line, but it not happened till now. So Monday or Tuesday, if it is continuous and if it breaks the support, there is no other chance market will see a new higher low and a new support. It need to find, it need to discover. And one more here, we need to understand from the point of view of Ethereum. Basically Ethereum also, it is making an a higher highs, RIC is making an a higher lows, lower highs, but that higher highs, when it is opposite to higher lows, that indicates that it is an a bearish pattern. So what I need to say here, it is be careful right now in the market. Why I am telling you like that? See the total market, anything you go, still it not made any higher high. Okay, the price basically what we believe is it has lower low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high, lower high, lower high. These higher high, if it is confirmed as higher low, if one more candle came here, if it breaks this lower high, if it breaks this lower high, then it will become one more lower low. From that point of time, it is an clearest bearish pattern. And you see the total market 3 also. Same thing. Still it not crossed the previous higher high right now. But in the perspective of from seeing downtrend lower low to higher low, it is happening. But if there is a higher low and one more lower low comes, then that is a bearish pattern. Obviously, we know. So till now it is a lower highs, everything is okay. But closure of this. So mostly Monday morning or Tuesday morning, 100% reaction will come from the market. That will totally decides the direction. Till that time, don't rush into the market. Don't do anything. You will see a huge loss. Then now see the targets. What will be the targets? In case Bitcoin moves above 118K area, then obviously we are going to see a new higher high. That can be 125, 130, 150, anything. Depends on the market demand. But observe this. Here, when you observe the Bitcoin demand every day, it is fading out. Not only point of ETF, on-chain data also showing the same. But coming to the Ethereum, it is little bit different. Because every day, if we observe in Ethereum, again you can see the pickup ride. Because of this pickup ride and the ETH BTC ratio, which has been broken out from this downtrend. Now it should be rejected from here. If Ethereum should not go the new highs, it should be rejected from any point of this. But in the case if it crosses this point also, we will see the Ethereum around 10,000 to $15,000. There will be a no doubt if it happens like that. Basically Ethereum was struggling from 3 years. If this happens, automatically money rotation will be more from Bitcoin to other coins. Then the dominance, which is confirmed the downtrend, you can observe here clearly in a weekly time frame. It has been rejected from here and it confirmed it is breaking out. So this breaking down, how many days it is going to take place, we should see the next week update. Because the next week the opening candle, how it is going to open, within that space we will decide. But if Sunday tomorrow or a day of tomorrow before ending the time of the candle, if it turns into green, okay, again the next candle if opens on the top of the support trend line, that will be a huge bearish for the altcoins. So be careful. Right now we are in the point of decision taking mode. Who grabbed this move, okay, which is yesterday speech because of Powell speech? Who grabs this move, they are happy. Basically if you observe that, it is just completed the CME gap and then it started moving up. And BTC also did the same last week, but yesterday it not performed that well compared to the Ethereum. So Bitcoin dominance in the perspective of daily time frame, if you observe that, almost it is in clearest divergence, bullish divergence. Price is falling, RSI is rising. At any moment, at any cost, we don't know if it started reacting. If it starts a reaction, there will be the huge dump towards the alts. But as of now, if we observe this weakness of the dominance, there are higher chances that altcoins are going to perform very well because of the QT ended. In the recent speech, he clearly told that quantitative tightening is going to end and quantitative easing is going to come. Because of that quantitative easing, the money rotation has been going on good. So in this video, I give you the clearest updates what will be the next targets in BTC, Ethereum, any kind of thing. If it is bullish, what will be the target? If it is bearish, what will be the target? Which price, if it crosses, you will take the bullish trade, or which price it break down, you will take the bearish kind of trades. Based on that, I give you the proper favorable gaps, supports, and information. So be careful while you are trading. Stay happy. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, enable the bell notifications, and share with your friends and family. And if you liked our content and it will be benefit you also, in the description we shared our crypto exchange links where you are going to get a less fee and non KYC trading. So stay tuned with Crypto Vulture Trading. Have a nice day. Signing off.